I got another Poshmark Q&A for ya today. First question. I was wondering, how can you take Sharpie off the bottom of shoes? I have a pile that I have had for a while. Sorry. Yeah, not wanting to list because I'm not sure how to take it off and don't want to mess up the shoe. LOL, thanks. So, I've never done this before, but I've heard that like rubbing alcohol works. And I think you had some people reply to your comment saying the same thing. So, try some rubbing alcohol. Okay, next question. What do you do if someone bundles a lot of items and it weighs over 5 pounds? Well, trailer trash Ash. That actually happened to me last week. I had somebody buy a bundle of 26 things. The week before that, I had somebody bundle 14 things, and that was my biggest bundle so far. But then this girl just swooped in, bundled 26 things. Obviously, my bundle was over 5 pounds. It was actually 19.75 pounds. So I had to upgrade the shipping label to 10 pounds. That was an additional $20. So that came out of my earnings. My husband actually took the box to the post office, so I don't exactly know how much he paid. Because we upgraded the shipping label to 10 pounds and then he paid the difference. And I don't remember. I didn't ask him, actually. I don't know what the difference was. Some post offices won't let you do that. They will just charge it to like Poshmark's account. So I guess they can tell the account by like scanning the label. All right, next question. Thanks for sharing. Your daughter sounds adorable. Oh, thank you. That was actually 2 of my baby girls that interrupted that video. If you guys don't know, I have 4 children. I have 3 girls and a baby boy. He's always gonna be my baby boy. I call him that, even though he is 6 feet tall now in high school. And he's supposed to start driver's ed next month too. I just remembered that. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Carol says, I'm fairly new to Poshmark and can't figure out how to change my closet default from men to women. When I open my closet, it shows my men's items and I change it to women, but next time I open it, it is men's again. So that's happened to me a few times. So all you do is go to your feed and then hi, baby girl. Hello. What are you doing? Abilene, my youngest, is in here. Okay, so you go tap on feed at the bottom and then tap on up here in the... What are you getting into? Right here. You see that where it says all? And then you want to choose whichever market you want. So you said you wanted women. I do all, just because, whoa, lighting. Just because I like to see all. So yeah, that's how you do it. And that should be like default from now on. What are you touching? Oh, what's that? Is it a bunny? Yeah. Yeah. You can play with it. All right, next question. Hi, Vanessa. I mentioned the other day on Posh, I love your YouTube videos, so I thought I'd ask a question. What do I do when someone keeps sending me a lowball offer on the same item over and over? I've had 2 separate women do this on 2 separate items. I offer my lowest price and they never reply. Then a week later, they send me another lowball offer on the item. I know I should probably ignore it, but this has happened now a few times. Okay, that's frustrating. That has happened to me. Oh, what are you touching? That has happened to me a bunch. And it's super frustrating. What you got? Can you have Mama have that? Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. She's got my tagging gun, little thingamajiggers. Oh, can you throw that in the trash? Can you go throw that in the trash? No, Abilene, throw it in the trash. She's like, I don't want to leave the room though.
What are you guys doing?
Here they come, the rest of the girly babes. This is my Emmy. This is my oldest girly babe. How old are you?
5.
5.
Everyone to go.
Yes, you got Mama's shirt. Thank you. Bells, come in here. Are you going to be in the video too now?
I'm going to be full.
Oh boy, you all going to sit in my lap? Bells, come here.
No.
Come see Mama. I got to show you something. Get over here. Oh, this is my Bells. How old are you, Bells? How old are you?
I think 3.
Yeah, I think she's 3.
Mama.
Abilene, come here. Come here. You want to be in the video too? Get over here, move here. Oh, baby. Come on. I don't know. I'm going to do this. Oh! Okay. All right. This is my girly babes.
Ow.
This is my girl squad. So like I was saying, I've had that happen to me many, many times, and I just keep countering back. I know some people probably don't like to do that, but I do it. Especially if you're countering back at your lowest offer, I would just keep doing it. Or you could ignore it, but if you ignore it, you might miss out on a sale. You know, it's not time consuming to counter back, you know, like it's just a tap of a button. Next question, any advice on increasing subscribers on YouTube? I'm actually gonna do a whole video on how to start a YouTube channel, how to do it, how to do the thing, how to do the YouTube thing. But as far as gaining subscribers, that's one of the hardest things. I guess just a few like quick tips is to be consistent with your video upload, be as social as possible, like responding to comments and questions and stuff. Also be social on social media, you know, like advertising your YouTube channel on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. But those are just quick tips for now. I am gonna do a whole separate video talking all about the YouTube world, my girls. All right, next question. Hey Vanessa, it's Fee. Hi Fee. Could you do a video on pricing? I never seem to price high enough, and then when offered to likers and price drops, I find myself not making enough to justify the work to put up the listing. Thanks, sweetie Fee. Yes, I will. That could be a whole separate video. I will. I'm gonna put that on my video to-do list. I gotta do it right now because if I don't, I'll forget. Okay, last question. Can I send an offer without adding a shipping discount? You can. Okay, so typically when somebody likes something, let me just go to this. Okay, so somebody liked these shoes. So typically when that happens, to send an offer, you tap on offer, then offer to likers. It makes you add a shipping discount if you do it this way. Can you guys see? Oh my gosh, come on. There we go. So it makes you add a shipping discount when you do it that way. Focus. A little trick here. All right, so we're gonna go, she liked these shoes 2 hours ago, so I'm just gonna go. This girl's gonna be my little guinea pig. I'm gonna tap on her profile. In the upper right hand corner, I'm going to tap on the little shopping bag with her profile picture on it. I'm gonna tap on the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner. I'm gonna tap on switch to sell view. And that'll show all of the items that she has liked from me. So she liked these shoes. So what I'm gonna do down here, I'm going to tap on the little middle icon right here on the shopping bag with the plus sign. Oh, there we go. So it adds it to a bundle. And then you are able to send an offer without adding a shipping discount. Little trick. I feel like a lot of people know that trick, but I feel like a lot of people don't. So that's very helpful. I do that if I have something that's like a lower price item. Like I have some items that are between like $10 and $15, and I want to send people an offer on it, but I don't want to add an additional shipping discount because then I'll make like no money off it. So I will add those things to bundles and send the offer that way. That's a little trick that I learned. I don't remember who I learned it from. But it's good to know. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a send me a DM direct message on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. You guys should follow me on Twitter. I feel like a lot of people aren't on Twitter, and I freaking love Twitter. Twitter's like my diary. If you are in Poshmark and you're not on Twitter, you should be. You really should be. So yeah. Follow me on Twitter. I'll have everything linked below. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. My code is my closet name, which is Keepin' It Rad. I get a $10 credit when you do that, and you also get a $10 credit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.